In this video, we will show how to use the Temu coupon bundle. First, open your browser and search temu.com in the address bar. Log into your account or sign up by using your credentials. Open the website and go to the Orders and Account option right to the search bar. Click Coupons and Offers from the drop-down menu. You have to wait for a few seconds to load the website. On the coupon and order page, you can enter the coupon code to use. Go to the Use section and you can see the coupons you used. In the Expired section, you will see expired coupons or offers. Go to a new tab on the browser and search Temu coupon code. You will see the link to Temu coupons and promo codes. Open the coupon code link provided in the Google search results. You can see different and huge discounts. Scroll down to review all the discounts. Click on the coupon and click Use it in the app. A QR code will appear and you can scan this code with your phone to use it in the app. Go to the website for shopping and selecting any product. Select the product and click on Checkout on the right side. Add your contact information here, including your name, phone number, address, and more. Click on Continue to Payment on the right side. Choose the shipping method like pickup or standard. On the right side in the order summary, add the coupon code here. Click on Apply and then ensure all that information is accurate. Click on Submit Order to submit the order to Temu. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like and subscribe.